OpenAI just made a power move in AI hardware, and Salesforce is shaking up enterprise automation. This is a major week you don't want to miss. Plus, Europe's billion-dollar AI factories and Egypt's explosive growth in AI education. It's all happening right now. Coming up, OpenAI partners with Broadcom, Salesforce unveils Agentforce 360, Egypt certifies nearly 1,900 new AI ambassadors, and Europe invests $500 million into AI factories. Grab a coffee. Your AI news fix starts now. If you want daily AI news updates, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a breakthrough in artificial intelligence. Egypt just certified 1,895 new AI ambassadors, part of a nationwide push that now totals over 4,500 trained experts. These ambassadors are equipped to apply AI in education, public service, and private industry, propelling Egypt towards tech-driven national development. Next, in other news, Europe is investing $500 million into AI-related manufacturing hubs. The goal? To boost AI hardware capabilities, reduce reliance on foreign tech suppliers, and solidify Europe's presence in the global AI economy. Our next story. Salesforce has unveiled Agentforce 360, a robust enterprise AI platform that enhances interactions between AI agents and human workflows. It's a game changer in enterprise AI competition. Let's turn to platform details. Agentforce 360 introduces low-code design, real-time simulations, agent script for logic control, hybrid reasoning modes, and ultra-realistic voice agents that integrate with Amazon Connect and Five9. Moving on to our next update. Features of Agentforce 360 include a unified agent workspace, Agentforce Vibes for AI-assisted coding, and Atlas Reasoning Engine for tunable logic. This ensures secure, seamless, real-time voice-first AI experiences. Here's what's coming up next. OpenAI and Broadcom have signed a landmark AI chip deal. The chips will fuel advanced AI models, crucial for scaling up infrastructure and maintaining OpenAI's momentum in global innovation. This video is supported by ClassKid, an AI-powered education platform that makes professional tutoring affordable for every child everywhere. ClassKid. Every child is a genius. Check out the link in the description. To wrap up, Egypt is scaling its AI task force. Europe is investing heavily in infrastructure. Salesforce is reinventing enterprise platforms, and OpenAI is doubling down on hardware. The future of AI is accelerating, fast. Don't forget to subscribe for daily AI news updates and turn on notifications. Like, comment, and let us know which of today's updates you found most exciting.